This sandwich is amazing. By the way, Ben, why do we even have to study English? I mean, I just need to know how to say extra cheese, please.
English is important, Jerry. It's the international language. You need it to communicate with people from all over the world.
But why do I need it? I only talk to you guys. And I'm too tired to learn anything.
Tom, you're always tired. Imagine you travel to another country. How will you order food?
Oh. Oh. I know this one. I'll just point at the menu and say big food, please.
That won't always work. What if the waiter doesn't understand you?
Then I'll just eat whatever they bring me.
Wait, why would I travel? Traveling is too much work. Too many steps. First, you stand in line for a ticket. Then you stand in line for security. Then you stand in line for food. Too much standing.
Tom, you're allergic to effort.
Exactly.
Listen, English is important for jobs too. Many good jobs require English.
Ugh, jobs, so much work.
But Ben, I already have a job. I eat food.
That's not a job, Jerry. That's a hobby.
Then, can I be a professional food tester?
Yes, but you'll still need English. What if you work for an international restaurant? You need to describe the food in English.
You're right. How do you say this burger is amazing in fancy English?
You can say, this burger is exquisite.
Oh. I like that. Next time I eat a big burger, I'll say, this burger is exquisite.
Close enough.
But why do I need English? I don't eat as much as Jerry, and I don't want a job.
What if you meet a beautiful foreign girl?
How do you say you are very pretty in English?
Now you're interested?
Tom, I thought you were too tired for this.
Love gives me energy.
Okay, repeat after me. You are very beautiful.
You are very beautiful.
No, say exquisite.
We have a long way to go. Okay, Tom, let's try again. Repeat after me. You are very beautiful.
You are very beautiful.
No. Say it with feeling. Like this. This burger is exquisite.
You are very exquisite.
That sounds like you're eating her.
Yeah, you don't want her to think you're a hungry tiger.
What if she likes tigers?
Forget it. Let's try something easier. What if you want to ask her name?
Oh, I know. What is your name?
Yes. Finally.
And if she asks for your name, you say,
My name is Tom.
Good. Now, imagine she says, Nice to meet you, Tom. What do you say?
Nice to eat you too.
Nulu.
Bro, she's not a sandwich.
Oops, my bad. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, that's better.
Hey Ben, teach me something useful too.
Okay, imagine you're in an American restaurant. How do you order food?
Easy. Big food, please.
No, Jerry. Use full sentences.
Okay, okay. Can I have the biggest food you have?
Almost. Try. Can I have a large cheeseburger with fries, please?
Okay, but what if I want extra fries?
Then say, can I have extra fries, please?
And what if I want double cheese?
Say, can I have extra cheese, please?
And what if I want a free meal?
Then you say, can I work here and wash dishes instead?
No way. I'd rather pay.
You guys are talking too much. My brain is tired.
Tom, learning English takes effort.
I don't like effort.
Tom, let me ask you one question. If a foreign girl comes to you and says, do you speak English? What will you say?
No English?
And then she walks away forever.
And oh. Wait. Teach me more.
Now you want to learn?
Yes. Teach me how to say please don't go.
Okay, repeat after me. Please don't go.
Please don't go.
He just turned it into food again.
I give up.
Ben, I need to learn English now. If a foreign girl talks to me, I don't want to say no English and lose my chance.
Okay. Let's start with something simple. If she says, how are you? What do you say?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Wow! That was perfect!
Yay! Tom can finally say something correctly.
I am smart.
Okay, now imagine she asks, where are you from?
I am from my house.
No, say, I am from Thailand.
I am from Thailand.
But what if she asks, what do you do?
I do nothing.
No, Tom! Say, I am a student or I am working.
But I don't like work. Can I just say, I am sleeping?
No!
Or he can say, I am always tired.
Yes. That's my real job. I am always tired.
Tom, I give up.
No! Don't give up. Teach me how to say, you have beautiful eyes.
Okay, repeat after me. You have beautiful eyes.
You have beautiful eyes?
Eyes, Tom! Not ice.
Tom, you just told her she has beautiful frozen water.
But ice is beautiful.
Okay, let's try another one. Say, you are very kind.
You are very fried?
Now he's calling her fried chicken.
Tom, focus.
English is hard.
It's not hard. You just need to practice.
And you need motivation. Imagine a beautiful girl is in front of you right now.
Okay. I can do this.
Now say, I like your smile.
I like your smell.
No!
No. Tom, you just told her she smells good like food.
Well, maybe she does.
I can't do this anymore.
Don't give up, teacher. I believe in you.
I wish I could say no English right now.
Okay, Ben. Teach me more. I will master English.
Are you sure? You've already called a girl fried chicken and frozen water.
Yeah, I think if you keep going, you'll accidentally propose to a tree.
No jokes. I need to learn. Imagine this. A beautiful girl walks up to me and says, "Hi, what's your name?" What do I say?
Okay, this is easy. Just say, "My name is Tom." What's your name?
Okay. My name is Tom. What is your name?
Perfect.
But what if she says, "Wow, Tom, you are so handsome"?
Oh no, what do I say?
Just say, "Thank you."
Thank you. You are very fried?
Noo.
Tom, stop calling girls fried food.
But fried food is delicious.
You're not trying to eat her, Tom.
Okay. What should I say?
Say, "Thank you." You are very beautiful.
Thank you. You are very beautiful.
Or say, "You are very exquisite."
You are very exquisite.
Yes. Finally.
Now, teach me how to ask her out on a date.
Okay, say, "Would you like to have dinner with me?"
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Perfect.
But what if she says, "No, I have a boyfriend"?
No. What do I say?
Okay, nice to meet you. Goodbye.
No way. I will say, no problem, I will wait.
Tom and OOO.
Bro, that's creepy.
No, Tom, just say okay and move on.
But what if she is my soulmate?
Then she wouldn't have a boyfriend in the first place.
Yeah, destiny doesn't need waiting. But food does. Speaking of food, Ben, teach me how to order pizza in English.
Okay, just say, "Can I have a large pizza with extra cheese, please?"
Can I have a large pizza with extra cheese, please?
Perfect.
Wait, I want to learn too. How do I say, can I have one beautiful girlfriend, please?
Noo. I give up.
Ben, teach me how to say I love you in English.
That's easy. Just say, "I love you."
I love you.
Wow, Tom, that was fast. You couldn't even say beautiful eyes properly, but now I love you is perfect?
Love is my motivation.
Okay, fine. But what if she says, "Sorry, I don't love you back"?
I will say, no problem, I will wait.
No, Tom.
Bro, you sound like a horror movie villain.
Tom, you need to respect her answer. If she says no, just say, "Okay, I understand."
But what if she changes her mind later?
Tom!
Okay, let's change the topic before Ben explodes.
Thank you.
Ben, one last question. If I travel to America, what's the most important English sentence I need to know?
Probably where's the bathroom?
Yes. That's important. Teach me.
Just say, "Excuse me, where's the bathroom?"
Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Perfect.
Good job, Jerry.
Thank you. Now I can travel anywhere and never have an emergency.
Yes, that's a lifesaver.
Ben, one last question from me. What if I meet a foreign girl and I don't know what to say?
Just say, "Hello." how are you, and let the conversation flow.
Hello. How are you?
Perfect.
And if she says, I love you, what do you say?
I love you too.
Okay, okay, I think you're finally ready.
Thanks, Ben. You're a good teacher.
And you're a difficult student.
And I'm just here for the food.
Yes, we know, Jerry.
All right, my brain is full. I think we learned enough English for today.
Yeah, I'm full too, of food.
Finally! Class is dismissed.
Yay!
Yay!